Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can permanently delete your Google account. Permanently mean permanently, not temporarily. It means when you delete your account, your all Google apps will be also deleted, like Google Calendar, Google Photos, contacts, all will be deleted. So if you want to delete permanently your Google account, so let's get started. Keep following me. Firstly, go to Play Store. After going to Play Store, search Gmail. Now you just have to check if there is any update available. Try to update your app. After updating your app, you just have to go to Gmail, open up the Gmail account and click on the top right corner of your profile icon. Now you just have to select your Google account which you want to delete. Now I am selecting first one. Click on manage your Google account. Now just swipe the right and click on the option data and privacy. After clicking on that, just swipe a little bit until you find an option which is delete your Google account. Remember that there should be two options, but you just have to select delete your Google account. The rest option is delete a Google service, but you don't have to click on it. You just have to click on delete your Google account. Okay. After tapping on delete your Google account, Google will verify you by your security lock. After confirming your identity, here is some information. You just have to read it. And here are all informations about your Google account and associated apps. Now you just have to tap on these two forms. After that, just click on delete account. After clicking on this, Google will permanently delete your account. So that's it for today. Hope you would really like it. Thank you so much. Do like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.